We're blending up a refreshing detox smoothie bursting with tropical flavors like pineapple, banana, and lime juice. It's balanced with creamy cashew butter, cucumber, and spinach, and full of healthy fats, fiber, and a boost of protein. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you like healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy smoothie, you just need an upright blender, and I'm just going to use the smoothie cup that comes with my blender. We'll start by adding a half a cup of milk, and you can use any variety that you like. I'm going to use unsweetened almond milk. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details. Next, we'll add half of a peeled cucumber, a half a cup of frozen pineapple chunks, and I found it works really well to go ahead and freeze these individually and then store them in your freezer, and then they become little pineapple ice cubes. And I do the same thing with my bananas. I'll peel them, slice them in half, and then individually freeze them to use in my smoothies. And then to increase the protein, we'll use 3 tablespoons of your favorite vanilla protein powder. And we really like using this brand because it's organic, naturally sweetened, and we really like the flavor. And for more creaminess as well as a healthy fat, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cashew butter, but you could use any nut butter that you like. And for more fresh citrusy flavor, I'm gonna squeeze in about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And then we'll add about 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ginger. And you'll want to be careful not to add too much because this can be really strong. But you can also add some dried ginger if that's all you have. And then to finish it off, we'll add 1 cup of some fresh spinach leaves, or just a small handful. And then we'll screw on our lid, put it on our base, and blend until smooth. If you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the video description, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. And now we have a very delicious smelling smoothie. So all we have to do is pop in our straw and enjoy. That is delicious. You instantly get a burst of these fresh tropical flavors. You get the sweet banana, and then you get the tang coming in from the pineapple. And I love the aftertaste that comes in from the lime juice as well as the ginger. That is seriously so good, and I love that it's made with fresh, natural ingredients. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. And I've included the link to this full recipe in the video description below, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.